guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. On today's video, I have a few gift DIYs idea for you guys for Christmas. But these gifts you can also do it all year round. It doesn't have to be necessary for Christmas. And they're personalized and they're super cute, and I'm pretty sure your family will love it and friend as well. So let me know down below, comment down below, and let me know which one is your favorite. Once again, thank you for watching Special Creations by Nelly. So the first thing I did was grab one of these picture frame from Dollar Tree. I just went ahead and took the glass out and grabbed my hot glue and then just spread it out all the way around and then put my glass on top and attach it to the frame. Just like that, just hold it a little bit until it attach it in place. Once I did that, then I grabbed my other part and some M&Ms, and I just choose the colors yellow, green, and blue. Then I just went ahead and put the top, very easy to just light it back on top. And look how cute, you guys. Then I went ahead and grabbed these stickers, and then you could put the name here. You could write I love you, I miss you, or candy, or sweets, or whatever you would like. Just go ahead and write it down, and look how cute that turns out. I love how it came. So I just put a red bow on top, and this is how beautiful it turns out for any gift idea. So for the next DIY, I grabbed one of these containers that they had in Dollar Tree. And then I went ahead and fill it up with candy. Here you can decide to fill it up with different things. If the people is into craft, you could put like beads. If they like to create bracelets, like I'm just giving you an idea of things that you can do. Then just go ahead and fill it out and grab one of red ribbons or whatever color the person likes and whatever chocolate they like, and just twist it like that, and then just gonna go ahead and make a bow on top of the container, just like that, guys. And this is an easy gift to give to anybody, and it looks super cute as well. Using the same containers, I decided to spray paint it to give it this cute look on it. Make sure when you spray paint it, you spray paint it outside, and inside you're not gonna put something that is to eat. Then I went ahead and grabbed a few things of makeup. Like, people love makeups, why not put like makeup, lipstick, eyeshadow, whatever you have. Just fill it up with cute things that you know the person would like. With I also got this keychains that is like best friend. You could just place it in there, place a few jewelry, earrings or rings, whatever she likes, and then just close it and go ahead and tie that cute little bow on top just to make the little present pop and look cute. I think this is a great idea for you guys, and everybody will love it. Another thing that I did was just grab this little ring. They have it at Dollar Tree, and then just go ahead and spray paint it. It's a ring holder, and it's super cute just for them to hold their earrings. They could put it in the bathroom or kitchen. For the next DIY, what I did was just grab one of this Christmas ball, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open them up, and I'm gonna use some cocoa, and I'm gonna use a spoon to fill it up, a small spoon. And this was the easy way I found out to fill it up inside. And then I'm gonna go ahead and grab some colorful sprinkles and put it on top. For this one, make sure to add enough sprinkles. At the end, I didn't add enough, so then once you put the marshmallow on top, it will cover them all out. So make sure to put enough a sprinkle on the middle, and then just go ahead and grab your marshmallow and put it on top and put a bow on top, and look how cute it turns out. Then I went ahead and grabbed one of these whisk, and I got some chocolate, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it up inside my little thing until I fill it up the whole thing. And it's pretty simple and cute, guys. Then I went ahead and grabbed my stickers that I used earlier, and I'm just gonna write mom because I'm gonna give it to my mom. Another thing that you can do after you place the sticker is use Mod Podge to hold the stickers in place, and it will be secure. And then after you write your word mom, you just go ahead and grab one of these little ribbons, and I'm going to go ahead and tie a bow on top just to give it that super cute look, and it doesn't look as plain. And this is how cute it turns out. For the next DIY, I just went ahead and grabbed some coaster, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint them on top. It just to give them that little shiny look, and also to go with my decorations. You could choose any color that you would like or match the color of the person of the decorations, gold, silver, whatever color. Then I went ahead and grabbed these pictures and I print them out in Duane Reade, and it's like 20 cents each, which is super cheap, and they came out super cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it in the middle, and for me to be able to hold, I'm gonna use this Mod Podge. I'm gonna place it in a place, and make sure to use a brush. I didn't have one at the moment, but I really consider you guys using a brush for this DIY. to, especially for the top one. So then I just spread it out the bottom, and I'm just going to go ahead and place it in the middle and make sure it's lined up in the center of the coaster. Once you're done attaching all your pictures to your coaster, just go ahead and grab your Mod Podge and just place it on top and spread it all the way around. And you're going to continue doing this like for 3 steps. You're going to apply the Mod Podge, then you're going to have to wait 20 to 15 minutes, let it dry, and then you're going to come back and do the same thing. And you're going to repeat this process 3 times. And this will give to hold the picture so it can seal it, so when you put the cup it will not get wet. Then just grab one little box, put it inside, and it turns out super cute for you guys. This is a nice gift. For the next DIY, what I did just take a mason jar, and then I did a toilet paper roll, and I put some money inside. Then grab the person's favorite candy and just go ahead and fill it away all the way around, just like that, until you fill out the whole can of candy to cover the paper roll. Then once you're done, just go ahead and grab one little bit of the ribbons and put it on top to give it that extra cute look. And this is how cute it turns out. Then I went ahead and grabbed a drying mat, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place a few things. You can place whatever you like inside. And this is just a quick gift DIY that you can do for anybody if you're doing it in a rush. And it looks super cute. For the next DIY, just go ahead and grab a gloves and put some baking cookie. These are cookie. You could choose whatever the person would like. I did my whisk and I just put it inside with a spatula. You could put a few cute things that you think the person would like. Then go ahead and grab ribbons, any color, and just tie it on top to give it a special cute look that will stand out, and it looks super cute. And this is how cute it turns out, you guys. I think this would be a nice gift for anybody, mother, and we all know that we all love to cook. So for the next DIY, it's pretty simple to do. I just grabbed one of these books from Dollar Tree and I just took the cover out just like that. And then I went ahead and took a regular size picture. I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the middle of the book, and this was gonna give me to trace it so I can know where to cut. So this is where I'm gonna be cutting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trace a square out just like that. And then after I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my knife and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it through it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and follow the line and cut it. For this one, it will give you maybe like 10 or 20 pages that you could take out just like that. And then you're gonna continue doing this until you do the whole book by cutting it out with your knife, just like that. So then once you're done cutting it, you're just gonna go ahead and grab your Mod Podge, and then you're just gonna go ahead and place it on top and on the side, and this is what's gonna hold all your pages together. And I went ahead and grabbed another pictures, then I'm gonna just put a few Mod Podge in the back, and I'm gonna attach it to the front of the book. And this is how cute it turns out, you guys. Once you open the book, you could put anything inside. I put another picture, I put jewelry and candy. It's like a treasure box. I hope you guys like it. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.